Hello, dear children. Good morning. Children, today I am going to continue your fifth lesson or agriculture. All of you open page number 252 in your textbooks. I am going to continue the explanation part of the fifth lesson or agriculture. And I have told you to solve these riddles, right? And hope you will submit it through WhatsApp. Let's begin. Let's continue our lesson, children. So we have two types of crops, food crops and cash crops. And in our previous class we have learned about what is agriculture, the cropping seasons, types of crops like food crops, and in today's class we are going to learn cash crops. And food crops are rice, wheat, millets, pulses, right? And we have learned the climatical requirements and main producers. And in today's class we are going to learn cash crops. Cash crops are the crops that are grown to be sold in the market or used in industries. So, these cash crops will be sold in the market or they will be used in industries. Crops like tea, coffee and rubber are grown in large farms as the only crop and are called plantation crops. So, tea, coffee and rubber are grown in large farms and these are the only crop and these are called plantation crops. Some major cash crops grown in India are, let us see. Cash crop, their climatic requirements, main producers and the uses. Sugar cane. Its climatic requirements is hot and moist. And main producers of sugar cane are Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. And this sugar cane is used in making sugar and jaggery. Next, oil seeds. Oil seeds like mustard, groundnut, sunflower, linseed, sesame, right? And the climatical conditions required are warm climate with moderate rainfall. And the main producers are, except extreme north and the northeastern states, they are grown all over India. So, extreme northeastern states, these oil seeds will grow all over India. And these oil seeds are used for extracting edible oil. Next, cotton. And the climatical conditions required for cotton is hot and dry climate. And the main producers of cotton are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and Karnataka. And the uses of cotton is to make making cloth. Next, tea. So, the climatical conditions required are hot and wet. And the main producers are Assam, West Bengal, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. And these are used as a beverage. Next one, coffee. This requires cool weather with moderate rainfall. And the main producers are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. And these are also used as a beverage. Next, jute. The climatic conditions required is hot and wet and the main producers are West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha. And these are used to make carpets, bags, ropes and rugs. Next, spices includes cloves, cardamom, pepper, chilies and ginger. And the climatic requirements are warm with heavy rainfall. The main producers are Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Kerala, Karnataka. And the uses are to add flavor to food. Next, advancements in agriculture. What are the advanced technology used in agriculture? Since independence, the government has taken measures to improve the condition of farmers and increase the agricultural production. So, after independence, government has taken some steps. They has taken some measures to improve the farmers' condition and to increase the agricultural production in the country. Some of them are listed below. Multi-purpose projects have been built to supply water for irrigation. In order to supply water for irrigation, some multi-purpose projects have been built by the government. Farmers have been educated about the benefits and use of high quality seeds, manures and natural fertilizers. So, before most of the farmers are uneducated, but the government has been educated the farmers about the benefits and uses of high quality seeds, manures and natural fertilizers. Banks have been set up in villages to enable farmers to get loans to buy modern agriculture tools and machines such as tractors. So, banks have provided some loans to set up in villages to enable farmers to get loans, to buy modern agricultural tools and machines like tractors. Okay, these all about the lesson agriculture. So children, all of you go through the lesson 5, our agriculture. Go through this video, children. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Bye children, thank you.